Jasmine, how does it feel to be finally wearing that crown and sash?
Wow. Sabi ni ALB kanina, mabigat yung crown. And I agree, the weight of the responsibility of this crown and sash is very heavy, competing for a back-to-back win for the Philippines. Pero again, I've said na parang nung tinanong ako the second time, this was not official just yet, but when they asked me like, finally, makakapagsuot ka ng Philippine sash. Finally, masasabi na yung Philippines. Yun lang yung nasa isip ko. All I kept thinking was, oo nga, masasabi ko na yung Philippines. And it's just a fulfilling moment kasi sabi nga ni CJ earlier, it's every pageantera's dream to represent the Philippines. And I felt like my journey to compete internationally was already done after Miss World. So it's just a whirlwind of events, and now that I get to wear this crown and this sash to the Philippines. Thank you.
In what ways si Jasmine Omay is a universal woman?
Wow. I feel like when I was appointed as Universal Woman, for the first time I felt like finally. Because when I entered the pageant industry, when I first won my crown, I became a pilot. It turned my life 360 degrees in a way that I could never imagine. And I saw how Maria's life changed as well when she joined Universal Woman and became the winner. And right now, when I was appointed, I felt like that's a full circle moment na parang I have a imagine ko na success. No, I imagine like there's something that's happening that is just, it's happening again. I feel like something with the history is gonna repeat itself na maybe life-changing pageants are for me. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do my best. And in that way, I feel like I'm very well fit for Universal Woman with all of my preparations. And I don't think that you just pick, you work for it.
Best of luck. And
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you po.